Déjà vu is the feeling that we've experienced something before. Some people believe that it's a memory of a former life. What do we call this belief in a former life? Fiona?
Reincarnation, sir.
That's right. James, what religions believe in reincarnation?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't do my homework last night.
Why not?
Because I was doing political studies.
Oh, really?
Yeah, helping Dad run for Parliament.
Yes, well, James, your father's a fine man, but that won't get you out of your responsibilities. In fact, you can do your homework right now.
Let's get a load of this! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fellow students, this is amazing! What will Twist do next?
I think he's gonna lay an egg.
Save it for the drama class, Pete.
Pete, not now.